Okay, welcome to the first video in our series, Building Foundations. This will be geared toward those who are interested in getting involved with trading but have absolutely no experience. Okay, so we'll start with what you can expect from this material and what you should expect from yourself. You can expect to work. If you're looking to just take a few classes or a few courses and become a successful trader, you're probably mistaken. Now, once you understand the strategy, it does get much easier. So make sure you take notes, ask questions, participate, and practice on a virtual account. Most people think this is gambling, but it is not. It is actually about probability. However, if you don't have a plan, you are in fact gambling. Now, using the tools, these probability tools here, we can be very successful with only, for example, a 34% win rate by making informed decisions based on price action and placing the odds in our favor using these probability tools. Okay. Now, as we scan charts for opportunities, we will be scanning the chart using specific criteria to help us identify high probability trades, low probability trades, and trades not worth considering. Now, in a perfect world, we'd win 8 out of every 10 trades or 10 out of 10 trades and build our account. However, even a novice trader who wins 8 out of 10 trades per se, or for example, will still have a negative account because novice traders will tend to accept large losses as a result of either failing to use a stop loss, or they're fearful of using a stop loss because they don't want to accept the loss in the first place. A strategic and professional trader using OTA strategy, Online Trading Academy, can lose more trades and still build their account. Okay, any trade you take is going to go one or 5 ways. You're either going to have a large profit, a small profit, you'll break even, or you'll have a small or large loss. So by eliminating the large loss with a stop loss, and we're going to go into stop losses very in depth, we can basically build a strategy for success. Okay, so trading is about longevity and using methods such as position sizing, money management, reward to risk ratios, asset selection, and market correlation, and we will go over all of those things. Okay, the strategy here is to always have a plan and always stick to the plan. This is a very specific blueprint. It is a step-by-step process, and it is designed to establish a successful profit and loss curve. You can expect to learn, but again, you must put in the work. You must take notes, study, and practice using a virtual account. If you are insistent in using money, then start small. Start with $100, no more, and no more than that. And be sure to immerse yourself in this material in order to achieve maximum results. All right, before you go any further, go ahead and review this video and the course expectations. I have placed links in the video description, and those links should point you to this Google Drive account where you can find the Online Trading Academy ebook. That is the notes that I will be reading from partially during this course. You'll find a trading plan, an engineered risk strategy. You'll find a visual aid here for the material that we're going to be going over. And then you'll also find a trade tracker and a trade journal for recording your trades. Okay, so anyway, that covers the expectations and pretty much the introductory for the course that we'll be going over, and I hope to see you all in the next video.